Mykonos, Greece, the island of Mykonos. The main town is over there. They have these shuttle boats that shuttle you over there for €2, and then of course it's another €2 back. It takes about 10 minutes by boat. We're actually going on a ship-sponsored tour today, sailing to a couple beaches, supposedly. So we booked a shore excursion, $99. We'll see how that is. This is Mykonos. If we have time, we're going to go into town later after our trip. So we were supposed to be at 9:45, and we did. And about 20 minutes later, we got on this bus. We're driving to the boat. We're going to sail on. So.
If you like to jump from the boat, it will be possible, but I will give you the occasion. So until the machine is running, I don't want to see anybody jumping in the sea. It's a safety reason.
She said it's just a few minutes bus ride.
But the water is...
Oh. There's the ship. There's our boat. Hey, good. Pallets. That's the way to get on a ship. Pallets. Let's go over here. Motor power, not sail. There's the ship way off there. We're passing a reef or rocks. There's the island over there. There's Janet there. So and there's the captain there. So I'm not sure how much longer before we put up these sails. It's been about 15 minutes of driving. It's very rough out there, but I guess it could be rougher. We're still under motor power. And we're passing the rocky headlands here. I guess we're headed over there someplace. Looks like a good place to swim right there. That's Delos, home of the sun god or some such. Ship's way back there someplace. And eventually, I guess we're going to put up the sails and sail. So far, it's just been boring. Delos has the second largest excavation site in Europe after Pompeii, or so our guide told us.
Not her, but the her. I see, I know it's her
We came around that point. I don't know when we're going to get to a beach or put up the sails. We're headed straight to shore right now, though. The water looks nice and clear. Still using the motors and no sails. Maybe we just sail back because that's the direction of the wind. It's been about a half an hour now. And we've gone, the ship is over there, so we went all the way around to that point. We're going to stop here. just a little cold.
No, that's cold, I mean.
All right.
I just want to point out.
Yeah, it's a little cold. Maybe a lot. Salty. So, here I am.
It's freezing.
Anyway. Dolphins of Delos is the name of our ship. I'm gonna say 65. Yeah, maybe 70.
Whoa! I jumped in with my glasses.
So,
I was like,
6 of us got off.
yeah, I almost lost my fucking glasses.
Well, once you're in, doesn't matter, right? I'm a dolphin of Delos. That's the name of the ship that we're on. Dolphins of Delos.
Water was so cold when I put my foot in it. I went back on the boat. Then I just decided to go.
Underwater. So these are the brave ones going swimming. This is Paradise Beach, where we swam off the boat. And now we're going to go to Super Paradise Beach. That guy's a poser. It's fairly clear down there. When I got back on the boat, I discovered they had massive snorkels for us to use if we wanted. So, anyway, next beach. And it's a lot windier than the other beach. I don't know if it's swim to shore or take the dinghy to shore, but there's really nothing to do there. Really blowing here. We could jump out and swim ashore, but we decided to take the boat. It's easier. It's a gravelly beach, not big gravel, coarse sand we'll call it. Have a look. And it's got cigarette butts and dog crack and, you know, the usual. So, okay, let's go right here then. This will be our place to take that. That's our ship up there. So we're on this Super Paradise Beach, I think it's called. That's the boat we came on the tour. We're gonna walk up here a little bit and see what's up here. So people are selling jewelry here.
Guys, this is a cool photo. Look here. Guys, look here.
Yo.
Ready?
Janet's coming. People are posing. The water. I don't know if you could tell. Topless. So this is Mykonos. Let's walk down along the beach here. Right here, in this spot, the sand is really nice. The further we get down here, the coarser it gets, and of course the steeper the beach gets, makes walking very difficult. These lounge chairs, of course, are for rent. The water doesn't feel so cold now as it did before. Super clear, turquoise. I guess you can see that. But it's getting a little rocky over here. Very coarse sand. And then out here there's like a plateau shelf of rock with moss on it, very slippery. Anyway, I have to get up on here. But there it is. I think they called it Super Paradise Beach. So we came in on that boat out there. We're going to be boarding again. These are the red lounge chairs. Over there were the white and gray lounge chairs. Over here and over here, there's bathrooms. And they're free, apparently, because I didn't pay and Janet didn't pay. So, bathrooms. If you ever come there.